Hey everybody, Jared Bendis here, and I'm your Tupperware guy, or I'm going to be your Tupperware guy soon. But you know what? You know whose Tupperware guy I am right now? My Tupperware guy, because this box is all mine, and it's filled with Tupperware. I mean, this is a big box of Tupperware. It's kind of like I'm a magician. When I'm going to turn around, it's going to be empty, but no, it's not. It's going to be this big box of Tupperware, which I'm going to open up right now. See what we've got in here. Oh my goodness. How much did we? No, it's a lot of stuff here. Matter of fact, this is all awesome. Are you ready? Can you still see me? Good. Let's go with this. I have, now I know what these are, because these are what we have in the cabinet. And these are called modular mates, and they're awesome. And they have lids. So we've got these here. And then, of course, we got two of those. And then we have two of the larger ones. 2 squares and 2 ovals. Now, let's see what else do we have. Oh, my. More modular mates. So this is one of the other kits. We bought each of the packages that they had special. Oh, my. You know, we've got more modular mates. This is, you can turn your entire pantry into this one beautiful Tetris of food. It's amazing. Wait, there's more! Oh my, I don't even know where to start with. What is this? This is the potato keeper. Wow. And you know what? I think I saw another one. You know why? More potatoes. This is awesome. Wait, what else do we got? What's this stuff? This is the microwave maker set. Look at that. You know what? I'm going to open this right now. Because, you know, this is cool. I love anything that involves cooking. Because, you know, if it involves cooking, you're going to see me cook with it. This is the pasta maker. This is amazing. Because all you do is add water. Oh, wait. All pasta, all you add water. All right, what else do we have? We have, I think this is this the egg cooker?
Yes.
This is the egg cooker. Oh my goodness, I'm going to be poaching some eggs. Oh yeah, this is the egg cooker. Wait till you see the video I'm going to do on this. But wait, there's more. Ooh, look at this. Funnels. But you can't order funnels. You can only win funnels by playing games with us. So these are special giveaways. But I want to keep them all because I love funnels, but I don't get to keep them all. Unless I win. Uh-oh, what else do we got here? Ooh, silicone baking forms. You know, muffin tins. Uh-oh, what else do we have here? What do we have here? These are the cereal bowls. And look, they have different colored lids. Pretty awesome. There's more. Oh my, look at this. It's the micro picture set. I've been waiting for this. This is so cool. They're like microwavable measuring cups, but here's the neat part is they're like lids for each other. So if you want to microwave this one but you don't want to splatter, you put this one on top of it like this, and now it doesn't splatter, but it still can vent. And of course, if you want to use a little one, voila, same difference. Isn't that awesome? I love things that you cook with. I mean, storage is cool too, but man, this is awesome. What else? There's more. Uh-oh. I think there's something here that you can't buy. I think there's something here that you're only going to get as a present. This is if you have to tan. No. This is a melon baller. Look at this. This is a Tupperware melon baller. And if you want one of these, you got to play one of our games. You got to come to one of our parties. You got to participate in one of our contests. Ooh, look at that. I got all these melon ballers here. But wait. There's more. This is for grooming your eyebrows. No. This is for picking your teeth.
No.
Cleaning your ears. Spreading frosting. These are citrus peelers. Now this is pretty awesome because if you're like me and you don't want to start when you're at the thumb and go like this, you just come over here, dip in, come around, beautiful. You don't have to use a knife, you don't have to use your thumb, you can use a citrus peeler. Sometimes you can buy this, but right now we're going to be using these as giveaways and our prizes. There's more in the box. Look! There's lids, but these are regular lids. These are lids for the modular mates. They're pour and store. Is that awesome? Let's keep going. There's more in here. I'm gonna find a puppy in here. Wait, no, those are upstairs. Ooh, this is a little wonder, and if you book a party, you get this as a free gift. But there's more. Ooh, look at these. Scoops! Like I'm gonna make Raisin Bran. Now these you can't actually buy. These are also giveaways if you come to one of our parties, you do one of our contests. And our parties, by the way, are online. You don't have to just, come to our house, or we don't come to your house. You just book a party, we go online, you join us in a wonderful live video feed, and there you go. You can win one of these scoops. All right. There's a lot of stuff, and you need a lot of stuff, and Tupperware has a lot of stuff. And it's going to take your stuff and make it smaller stuff, and then it's going to pack your stuff, and it's going to cook your stuff. So how do you get Tupperware? Well, first of all, you can book a party. And the party, by the way, is online. It's so easy. You get your friends to come, a lot of fun. That's number one. Number two, you can just join our Facebook group, which will be linked somewhere in here, and then you can do one of our constantly running parties. Or you can just go to our website, which will also be linked here, so that you can just order that way as well. No matter what, if you need Tupperware, we'll get you set up with Tupperware. All right, I'm Jared. Behind the camera is Jeannie, and we are here to make your life easier with Tupperware.